I'm a big fan of starting my mornings with something warm, comforting, and nutritious. This cinnamon rice porridge is my go-to breakfast. It's super easy to make and keeps me full and energized throughout the day. I start with 1 cup of sticky rice, a cup of milk, and a teaspoon of butter. The combination of healthy fats, calcium, and slow-releasing carbs is perfect for giving me steady energy all morning. Once it reaches a gentle boil, I simmer it for about 3 minutes. The rice softens up beautifully, and the milk makes it creamy without being too heavy. Now comes the fun part. I stir in a teaspoon of brown sugar, a splash of vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Not only does the cinnamon add warmth and flavor, but it's also packed with antioxidants, making this breakfast as nutritious as it is delicious. Sometimes I like to top it off with chopped pecans and raisins for a little extra crunch and sweetness. It's such a satisfying start to my day, and I feel good knowing I'm fueling my body right. If you're looking for a cozy, delicious way to kickstart your mornings, give this cinnamon rice porridge a try. Let me know in the comments if you add any of your own favorite toppings. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more wholesome recipes like this one.